Welcome back. After the math module, we move on to one of the useful modules for applications that involve chance or simulation, the random module. This module allows us to generate pseudo-random numbers, which are essential for games, creating test data, and adding unpredictability to your programs. 1. Generating random integers. We import random. To get a random whole number, we have two primary functions. Randrange works like the range function. It includes the start but excludes the stop value. Randint, on the other hand, is generally simpler for ranges because it includes both the start and the stop value in the possible results. Always be mindful of whether the upper limit is inclusive or exclusive. 2. Generating random floats. Random returns a random floating point number between 0, inclusive, and 1, exclusive. This function is often used as a base for scaling random values to any desired range. 3. Random selection. The random module also handles selecting from sequences. Random.choice returns a single, randomly selected element from a list or tuple. Additionally, random.shuffle takes a mutable sequence like our colors list and rearranges its elements randomly in place. This may be used for simulating drawing cards or reordering player turns. To summarize, the random module is your tool for adding dynamic and unpredictable elements to your programs. Our next lecture 14.06. Number guessing game. See you there.